We should put a draw wire in now if you want to put a speaker in here.
Yeah.
You've got black, 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 and then it goes here, ply, 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 ply. And the ceiling also changes from plasterboard to birch ply. So actually what you've got is this whole thing is it's always constantly bringing you back to the structure, if that makes sense. So there is your spaceship.
No problem. I think we've done our opposite.
No, you haven't. That is the window. He steps down into a sunken pit, and that's the lounge area. But if you come up in here, look in here, this is like, oh, this is like superb space, isn't it? And that's a big, yeah, the big opening windows, big black ones. You can wave to each other through the window, eh? And you can see, you can do. That looks amazing. So where that fence is, where that gate's there, there's two gates there, so you can go onto the net and do your yoga on that hole. Yeah? Cargo net.
There will be a net.
Yeah, all the way
Sorry,
across.
an opening.
Yeah, gate.
Okay.
A gate.
Like a dog gate, yeah.
Yeah, but for humans.
Got it.
Yeah. So what are you going to do with the back wall?
Back wall.
I think you should plant it.
I think we should plant it, and I'm thinking TV screens and planting it.
You're
I
connected.
was worried about it being too dark.
Yeah.
I was worried about the flows.
So if you're standing here, look at that.
You know, everything just works. Doesn't it? I mean, coming through that end and having the two doors there is really clever.
So all those moments scribbling were worth it.
Yeah.